I'm Hani Asfour. I'm the Dean of Dubai Institute of Design and Innovation in the Dubai Design District with MIT and Parsons. And Parsons is the #1 design university in the USA. So it's a great foundation that we had to start with. And when we got accredited by the Ministry of Education, their main message was, you need to own this curriculum. And our big first task as academics is to make sure that the curriculum that we developed with MIT and Parsons is applied with relevance to the region. And so the vision of the UAE is to become a creative economy, a leader in the creative economy, and that's what we are doing to help. We are training the next generation of talent in the region. The vision of the Institute is to continuously expand our offering. So now we're focused on graduating our first batch. Eventually, we want to go into providing educational courses for executives. There's big demand for that in design thinking, strategic, robotics, connecting with all the relevant agencies in Dubai, whether they are corporate or governmental. We have a facility for manufacturing that's quite advanced, and we see a lot of symbiosis with the health industry and with the space agency. We have professors specialized in space design, aerospace design. We have professors specialized in health, designing for health. So these are definitely areas that we see growing and making connections. And definitely, as a digital-based curriculum, we are very much aligned with the digital agenda of the UAE. And so we see ourselves as part and parcel of the vision. So our future is very much tied to the UAE vision, and we are here to ensure that the talent that is needed, we are producing it. One of the key drivers for design thinking and the way we teach is to humanize technology, to make technology meaningful and desirable. Right now, the metaverse is being produced by software programmers. It lacks a human and spatial understanding and experiential. So our students will be ready to actually infuse it with a humanness and with a spatial understanding, so the experiences become relevant and meaningful and desirable. While software is one way to do it, but engineering approaches to solving these complex problems miss out on the human element. And design starts with empathy, understanding the person at the core of the problem that you're trying to solve, and you build outwards from that. It's not thinking about the solution first, it's thinking about the pain point and how do you address it. We have begun to build a virtual campus in the metaverse. So this is where I see a lot of interactions going to be in the near future. It sounds far-fetched, and I was in this room today because the students were actually showing us the prototypes of the world that they are creating using blockchain technologies and using the virtual reality. So they're building environments. The students are beginning to build our campus online. And so I think we will go beyond hybrid even, right? This is where we're going. So it's going to become, at some point, a seamless experience where using wearables, our reality will become augmented. And that's definitely the future of education. And the COVID pandemic accelerated that. It was happening anyway, but it forced us all to focus our attention there. Now we want to take it to the next level, which is the augmented reality environments where students can take classes, they can interact on their own time and live. And so this will be classroom, online, and metaverse.